today we're going to be doing our math review again because tomorrow I'm going to be checking your understanding of what you've learned throughout term 3 in math. So here I have a 3-digit addition problem and a 3-digit subtraction problem. So today I'm going to show you how I show my work when I solve, but also how I explain using my voice so that you can do it as well in Seesaw. All right, so today I have 342 plus 419. It's really important to look at the symbol before you solve so that you know what you're doing. But I'm going to be adding. So here I'm always going to start with the ones place. 2 plus 9 I know is 11. So I'm going to write my number down there to show my work. Now 11 is bigger than 10, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ones down below in the ones column, and I'm going to put the extra 10 above the tens place. Now what's this called again? Regrouping. Good. All right, so I have 10 plus 40 plus another 10. So I'm going to add that up. It's going to be 60. So right now I have 61. Did I have to regroup into the hundreds? No, because that answer is smaller than 10. All right, so here I have 300 plus 400, and that is 700. My answer is 761. All right, so here again is how I showed my work. And then when I explained, I also used the term regrouping to show what I've learned. All right, for a 3-digit subtraction problem, I have 507 minus 392. All right, so do you remember the term we use for 3-digit subtraction? If you said ungrouping, you're right. All right, so I'm going to start here always again with my ones column. And I'm going to ask myself, is 7 bigger than 2? It is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just solve that. 7 minus 2 is 5. All right, now I have 0 up here. So if I ask, is 0 bigger than 9? It's not. So what I need to do is go to the hundreds place and ungroup. You're right. So I'm going to ungroup that into a 400. I'm going to share the extra 100 over here in the tens place. Now I have 10 minus 9, or 100 minus 90 is 10. So I'll put that there. Now, can I solve 4 minus 3? I can. So 400 minus 300 would be 100. So I only ungrouped one time here. Can you tell me, did I ungroup the tens or the hundreds? If you said hundreds, you are correct. I ungrouped the hundreds to fit to the tens. All right. Also, I wanted to share with you a few ways you can solve your problems and then check your answers. Now, we've talked a lot about drawing your problems out as well as solving them vertically or up and down. So let me just do an example here. I have 416 minus 142. Okay, so what I can do here is I can draw a picture, my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. And then I'm going to solve it here. If I have the same answer, that would be correct then. So here I have 416. I'm going to draw my hundreds. All right, 416. Now I have to take away 142. I can take away 2 ones. So now there's my ones answer. Can I take away 4 tens? I can't. So what I need to do is ungroup one of my hundreds. And how many tens equal 100? You're right, 10. So I'm going to draw out 10 tens here. All right, now I can take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here would be my tens answer. Here would be my hundreds answer. Let's count that up. So we have 300, 7 tens, and 4 ones. Okay, let me check. Using the easier up and down vertical method for subtracting. So 6 bigger than 2? It is. I'm going to subtract that, makes 4. Now, is 1 bigger than 4? It isn't. So I'm going to ungroup the hundreds and give it to my tens place. All right, 11 minus 4 is 7. And 300 minus 100 is 200. Something did not go quite right here. Oh, you know what? I forgot to also take away 100. There, I think that would be the right answer then. So even Miss Barr makes mistakes, but I want you to make sure you try and check your answers. Another way you could do it is checking using the Math Mountain. So by showing me addition and subtraction. Okay, so here I'm gonna say 476 plus 312. Okay, now when you have two numbers that are added together in your Math Mountain, they would be the add-ins at the bottom. So let me just put this here, 476, 312. Okay, I'm going to find this answer, and then I'm going to check my answer. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 1 is also 8. And 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, so here's my answer. The answer then would go on the top of my Math Mountain. Now to check, instead of adding, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to subtract. So I either want to subtract the top number from this number or this from this. Either one is fine, but if you subtract, let's take these two, you want to make sure that this would be your answer. Let's try that out. 788 minus 312. Okay. 8 minus 2, I can do that because 8 is bigger. So that is 6. 8 is bigger than 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 tens. And then 700 minus 300 is 400. I've checked my answer. It is right. So today and tomorrow when you are doing your math check, I would like you to check your answers to make sure that they are right. Good luck today, friends.